Hey colorful people, welcome back to another video. In today's video we'll be making a quick, easy, tasty barbecue sauce. And you can check the description for ingredients that you will need. So first we'll be adding our sweet and sour sauce to our pot. Next we'll be going into our ketchup. You can use any brand ketchup you want, but we're using Kolours today. After ketchup, we're going in with adding our mushroom sauce. Now some people use browning, but it's better to use mushroom sauce. Next, just a little tooks of lime juice to your liking. Jamaicans don't use measurement, just judge everything. And add a little bit of vinegar, white distilled vinegar. Then we're going in with some sugar, and you use your discretion to add your ingredients. We don't use measurements in Jamaica. And then we go stir all these ingredients together. Stir, stir, stir. Mix out all the sugar. Get everything together. So next we'll be going into our seasonings. Have chicken season. Well, you can add your season of your choice, but we're adding chicken season, all purpose, some ketchup powder. Ketchup powder is a must, and some black pepper. So add all your powdered seasoning, the ones you like, because everybody have their different likes and seasoning. Add a Scotch bonnet pepper, give it that spice, that oomph. Then we're going in with our seasonings, scallions or onions and garlic if you like, if you want to put it in there. So you all your chopped seasonings, put all your chopped seasonings in, all your Rastaman seasonings. Give this sauce the ital vibes, ital taste. So put in our garlic. And some diced onions. Next, we're gonna grate some ginger and add it to it for flavor. I already know, say once ginger and anything, half it tastes good. So add some ginger, and then we're gonna mix everything together and give it a good taste. So mix all the ingredients together. Feel the sauce is coming along beautifully. Taste, looks like it tastes so good already. So mix everything together. Can't wait for it. Can't wait for taste the spam chicken. So I'm adding some syrup, some ginger syrup, but you can add pineapple ginger, you can add any taste, any flavor you want. Then we add some water to the mixture and stir it in. Always remember to stir properly. and give it a taste to see if it is to your liking. So you have a balance of sweet, tangy, sour. Everything have to balance, not too sweet, not too sour. And then we put it to boil. And there you have it. Once this is boiled to a thickness that you like, you'll have the sauce that you desire. Good sauce for your chicken. Anyway, thanks for watching. Enjoy your sauce.